Hello, and welcome to this week's edition. Do your customers believe that one oil filter is the same as another? Because they all look similar from the outside. The fact is, just as people from the same neighborhood may have the same model of car, they probably have different driving habits. The oil filter that's right for their car may be very different as well. Driving habits have a major influence on a vehicle's lubrication and filtration requirements, and pairing specific driving habits with the right oil filter can make a huge difference on the day-to-day performance and the longevity of their engines. Most people consider themselves to be normal drivers, but in reality, the majority of the vehicles on the road today are operating under severe driving conditions. When you're setting up an oil change appointment with your customers, they may be surprised for your recommendation for a premium oil and oil filter. Are any of these conditions part of their daily commute? Heavy congested traffic, frequent short trips and stop-and-go driving, towing, whether it's a boat, travel trailer, utility trailer, or jet ski, off-roading, extreme hot or cold temperatures, extensive engine idling or frequent engine stops, mountainous terrain, dusty conditions from dirt or gravel roads, construction sites, or farms. Driving habits matter, but they may not be recognized. Once they realize that normal doesn't really mean easy, your customers will begin to understand the value the right service will offer to help them maintain their investment. When you recommend a full synthetic oil change, make sure you complete the job the right way with a complimentary Purolator 1 or Purolator Boss oil filter that is designed for specific driving habits. Your customer may not visually recognize the difference, but their engine will thank you.